Equation of a line passing through 2 points. The first point has x equals 2, and y equals 8. The second point has x equals 16, and y equals 50.
First, place the 2 points on the coordinate grid.
The run is the horizontal change, from x equals 2 to x equals 16, the run is 14. The rise is the vertical change, from y equals 8 to y equals 50, the rise is 42.
Slope is rise divided by run, 42 over 14, which simplifies to 3. Now draw the line through both points.
Start with point slope form, y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. Then fill in the boxed values, slope is 3, x1 is 2, and y1 is 8.
That gives the specific point negative slope equation for this line.
Finally, solve for y to get slope negative intercept form.
The graph and the equation describe the same line.